Welcome to Math GPT. In this video, we're going to explore the process of dividing one fraction by another with a clear and visual explanation. Let's take a look at our example, 1/2 divided by 1/4. To divide fractions, we use the method called take the reciprocal and multiply. Let's start step by step. First, let's write down our problem, 1/2 divided by 1/4. Next, we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. That means swapping the numerator and denominator. Now, we simply multiply the fractions. Multiply the numerators and then the denominators. Now, let's write our multiplied result. We have 4/2. Last step, we simplify our result. So, 1/2 divided by 1/4 equals 2. Let's look at this visually. We have one whole divided into halves, and then each half divided into quarters. Each half of our whole can fit 2 quarters. Making the division by 1/4 give us a total of 2 equal parts, and that is how you divide fractions. Remember, take the reciprocal of the second and multiply. See you next time on Math GPT.